So we're safely moored in Arbroath on the east coast of Scotland, above the Firth of Forth, and in this tiny little inner harbour you can see here the lock gates, which have just closed, with a harbour sill or a tidal sill, which will just ensure that the water stays inside this inner basin. 2.5 meters deep, so with our draft of 2 meters we'll be fine here. And there's the Smuggler's Inn. Well, we went in there this afternoon at about 4 o'clock, and everyone had had so much to drink that they were all half cut. Next to the Smuggler's Inn is the Harbour Master's office. Very nice guy. Also likes Kika. Thank you very much. So I'll tell you what's a funny feeling. We're here in Arbroath, and we've just basically locked up the boat because we're going by train to Edinburgh, where we'll spend the night. Ready to go. Off we go. Off the boat. So see you later, boat. Off on our new exploration. Valentine's calling me. She thinks I'm being a bit slow. Can't be helped on that. But at the railway station they also have the name of the town in Gaelic, Arbroath, if that's the way to pronounce it. Our patience is being rewarded. Bang on time, the 9:15 into Penzance of all places. It's got a long way to go before it gets down to Penzance, but we're only going to catch it into Edinburgh. So here we are in Edinburgh, at Edinburgh Castle, with a fantastic view out there over the Firth of Forth. A bit of water which we skipped yesterday when we went up north to Arbroath. Over there somewhere. Again, it's below the cemetery for soldiers' dogs. And they've been burying dogs ever since Queen Victoria's day. I can hear the sound of bagpipes in the distance, which I suppose is okay if you're in Scotland. Otherwise it's something that should definitely be avoided.
To this final section of George Street before getting to Charlotte Square, and I'm just going to be passing on the right the head office of the Church of Scotland. There we go now. Now they don't actually refer to it as their head office. As a friend of mine who's heavily involved with the Church of Scotland once said, the head office is a more ethereal place.
The Queen's granddaughter, Princess Anne's daughter, got married in the church there. Maybe about 5 years ago, okay? So not quite immediate, going down the line, so to speak. Remember, the Queen's got a big weekend.